So you want to learn how to pour a great Rosetta? Let's dive into it. Hey everyone, I'm Jimmy. Welcome back to the Artisti YouTube channel where we guide you through all things coffee. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and the bell icon to make sure you see all of our future videos. If you've got any questions about today's video, be sure to put them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. So today I'm going to take you through pouring a Rosetta. Now, if you haven't mastered your milk, go back and watch our other videos where Luke talks you through the fundamentals of stretching your milk. You want to make sure you've got that all wrapped up before you get to this point. But I'm going to talk you through the steps that I take to make sure that we pour the best Rosetta we can in our cup. All right, so first we're going to need some shots. I'm also going to need some milk. Yeah. Great, let's pour some Rosettas. All right, so I've got my shot, I've got my milk. Let's dive in and start pouring this Rosetta. I'm going to break up my crema, spin my milk, dive straight into my shot and start to create that canvas. I don't want that white really coming out. And then I'm going to drop my nose right in the middle and start that wiggle, staying to the left, now bringing it back, lifting up as I go through. I've got another one here. Let's walk through that again and I'll break it down one more time. So we want to get that canvas so you've got something to pour onto. You want to make sure you lower your nose closer to the crema so that once you start wiggling, and that wiggle is important to make sure you're getting that milk movement and that shape that's through the cup, but it also instigates the froth to come out and will help the froth to sit on top of that crema. So once you've got your canvas, you start your wiggle, you lower your nose, and you want to stay closer to the side of your hand for as long as you can to create that base at the bottom. It's not until about 3/4 through the cup that you're actually going to start working your way back, and then you need to lift as you exit. That way you're going to draw through, but if you don't lift up, you're just going to draw a big white line through. Let's go again. Break up the crema, straight down on top, start to make that canvas. I'm going to drop my nose at the back, wiggle, 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 bring back, and then lift as I go through. So they're the main steps to pouring a Rosetta. You want to make sure you got that canvas well poured. You're going to instigate that froth to come out and sit on top of that crema at about halfway through that cup. That wiggle is really going to help instigate that froth and create that pattern. You want to stay closest to your hand for as long as possible. Then the very end of the cup, we're going to work our way back and then lifting as we exit. That way we've got a smooth, well-rounded, making sure you're not too far left or right so that you get symmetrical shape in your cup. Using the cup to your advantage, making sure you're pouring fast enough and get that real classic Rosetta shape. I hope that helps, guys. Go and practice your Rosettas as much as you can and let us know how you go in the comments below. Don't forget to even tag us on Instagram so we can see your progress and see how you're going. Thanks, guys. Till next time.